Hey everyone, I wanted to share the Canva Tidy Up tool with you today. As you can see, I've created some um, little centers and kids' names per se. And if you select them all, you can tidy them by right clicking, click space evenly, and tidy up. It's super quick. If you're like me and you like everything straight, you can do it one by one and it gives you the little guidelines, but that could take forever. We learned this with the high school scheduling board, and it's just a really handy tool. So then on day two, if you want to mix up your kids at centers, you can just kind of haphazardly do it on this whiteboard and not have to worry about taking time to line everybody up. Um, and then once you get all your kids where you want them, about, you will again select all of them. I didn't select the heading. And then I'm going to right click, space evenly, tidy up, or you can click Alt Shift T and that'll be your shortcut as well. It's just a great tool, time saver, and I hope it's helpful. Have a great one.